So in this video I will discuss about the isometric view of the cube of side 40 mm. So as usual we have to draw this reference line. Okay, draw any horizontal line, and you can take any point on this reference line. So this is the points, say, okay, any point you can name it as A, and then you have to draw the two 30-degree lines both sides. So I have measured this angle as 30 degree. You can draw this line. Similarly, I have measured on the other side as well 30-degree angle. Yes. Now you can take this 40 mm. Side is 40 mm. You can measure it 40 mm from here. So this is 40 mm both sides. Okay. Now what you can do? You can simply measure it with the compass. Yes. Then you can join this. Yes. You can join this thin. Always join it thin. Now height is also given for height of the cube will be also 40. Then you can join 40 mm lengths throughout from this edges. So this is 40 here. Always draw it light first, contrast thin lines, 40 from all these edges. Okay. Vertical edges. Okay. And here as well. Okay. Now you join these points. So this will be a cube. Now whatever is hidden, you need not show it dash lines. In the isometric we will not be using any dash lines, and we have to remove any hidden portion completely. So I will be removing these because this lines will not be visible in the from this front side. So this is the isometric view of the cube. Now you can make it thick, continuous thick lines. Okay. So this is the isometric view of the cube, side 40 mm. And you have to join all these lines, thick lines, continuous thick. First you need to draw it with thin lines, then you can make it thick. So all these lines are continuous thick. Now only thing you need is to do the dimensioning. Yes, so this is the isometric view of the cube. Now I will be doing the dimensioning. Now I have done the dimensioning as well. I have used the aligned system of dimensioning. These 30 angles both sides and 40 mm side is there, XY is there. So I hope you got it. Isometric view of the cube, how to draw. Yes, thank you very much.